Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily add a note widget to the home screen of your iOS 18 iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes under this video, and write a comment after watching. Let's get down to the topic. First of all, you need to tap on the empty field on your iPhone screen. Now tap on the left side, click on the word Edit and Add Widget. After that, in the search box, to make it faster, just type the word Notatki and tap on this app. Now, as you can see here, there will be so many different options of what your future Notatki widget can look like. It can be big, it can be smaller, it can be square, it can be rectangular. You choose here the option that you like best. And at the bottom, click Add Widget. And as you can see, now this widget will be added to your desktop. You can drag and drop it here to where you want it. You can also resize it if you need to. If, let's say, you accidentally clicked on the wrong widget. To save such changes, just click on the empty field. Now the note widget will be fixed on the home screen of your iPhone. This is the method you can quickly and easily add a note widget to the home screen of your iPhone on iOS 18. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, don't forget to put your likes and also subscribe to our channel and write your comments. Take care.